Mega love shout out everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name is Pure Stoneheart. And again guys, I just want to share with you this one. Another unboxing episode that we are going to do. So I just saw this one online, of course, my favorite shopping online here in UAE. So I tried to order this one 3 days ago and now it arrived. So again, another journey of this episode. So I have it here, just delivered it 2 hours ago, while ago. Ayan, thank you so much. Brands for Less. Ayan, thank you. Once again, Brands for Less, thank you so much for always and making me feel comfortable shopping with you. And thank you guys. And I'm so excited this one because I saw this one in the online. So here we go. Let's go for unboxing. So excited to see this one guys. Okay. Again, thank you. Here is it. Again, once again, Brands for Less, thank you so much. So excited, yay! I have another pair of shoes. The shoes, the size is 9 UK. Thank you again. Yes. And here we go. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Have you seen this one, guys? The color. So excited. And this is where we go. Yes. There you go. There you have it. Oh my God. This is really very comforting. A very nice pair of shoes. Just imagine that one, guys. Oh my God. See? This one. So I have a new pair of shoes. Thank you so much. And note guys that this is very in affordable price. Sale. So I used to order in Brands for Less for a pair of shoes because they have a good quality of shoes. Originals and all. Thank you so much. Now I have this one. I can wear this one. Well, see, just imagine. Thank you so much. So there you have it guys, my new pair of shoes. Thank you. Please comment, like, and share my video. Once again, this is Pure Stoneheart and thank you so much for watching my video. Bye-bye.